guys, I'm back again with another review. This time it's on my Chanel, I think this is called the O coin purse. And this is the studded camellia print in calfskin leather with silver hardware. This just came out for the spring summer 2018 collection. I love this item, but one thing I'm going to say right off the bat is that it is not very durable. I used it when I first got it every day for a couple weeks. Then I gave it a rest, and I already have a scratch here. If you can see that, this is calfskin. I already have a scratch there, and I just noticed that the CCs, you probably can't tell, I have tiny little hairline scratches on them. Now, I was not careful with this at all. I threw it in my Neverfull, and it floats around in my Neverfull with keys and all kinds of stuff. I did buy this to use it, but nonetheless, I still am bummed that it already has signs of wear on it. It's not going to stop me from using it, though. I love this. This item is so awesome because it is so tiny and compact. The measurements are 4 1/4 length, 3 inches in height, and just shy of an inch thick. I do have this stuffed right now because I want to show you what it can fit. I have everything in here. Look how much stuff I have in this tiny little thing. When I did the review, or I'm sorry, the reveal of this, I said that you could not fold cash in half, that you had to tri-fold it. I lied. I just didn't try hard enough. You can fold cash in half and fit it in here, but it just barely fits. So you really have to make sure it's down all the way in order for it to clear the zipper. But nonetheless, it does fit. I did a what can fit in my card holder just right before this video, and all that stuff that is in that card holder, I have in this card holder. The difference is that card holder could fit more. This can't fit much more. So I have about 10 credit cards and a few business cards in here, some cash, and 3/4. Now, this is pretty stuffed. You can see how full it is. It has 3 compartments. And one thing about this item is, since this is like a folder here, like an accordion style, the cards have to be strategically placed in the folds in order for this gusset to close the right way where the folds are. Otherwise, you'll get, it won't fold evenly here, and then you'll have creasing and it'll be weird. So you have to like put a bunch of cards along this edge, and then like along this edge, and then like along this edge, and then along that edge, in order to get the cards to fit in these little slots here. I think you can see what I'm talking about. That way it'll close easily, zips easily, super compact. The sun just came out, and now it's really bright in here. Hold on one second. That's a little better. So yeah, I love this item. It is so tiny and it fits a ton. Like I said, not as much as the card case in the back pocket. This is it in comparison. You can see that the card case is taller. This is stuffed. This is empty. They are about the same length. The card case is just a little bit bigger. So I want to show you this inside a classic flap so you can get an idea of what it looks like and how it fits. It fits in there perfectly with tons of room, and it's tiny enough where you can also stand it up on its side lengthwise, and it fits perfectly. So this is it in comparison. Let's see how tiny it is. It is very tiny, very compact. I love it to death because I love anything that's black with silver studs. I love that it's the camellia print with silver studs. I don't think you could have done this print in caviar. It just wouldn't have been, like with all the pebbles and the caviar leather and then the studs, I just don't think it aesthetically it would have worked. So, I mean, this had to be in calfskin. I get it. I just wish the calfskin was a little bit more durable. Like, I'm super bummed about this scratch right there. You can see it in the light right there. But, you know, I buy my pieces and I want to use my pieces. I'm careful with them, but you can only be so careful with wallets, you know? Like, they go in bags and keys and other things. Get them. So, zipper works smoothly. But honestly, for as compact as it is, it holds a ton. And you can't get much more compact than this because this item is so small that here's like this is like my friend's police card. Just to give you an idea, this is like the size of a credit card, right? So the wallet itself isn't much bigger than a credit card. So you really can't get much more compact than this. So if you're looking for a wallet, the smallest possible wallet you could find that holds a ton, definitely go with the Zippy coin purse because it's the right size and it holds everything. And the zipper works great. So I love this. I love this piece. I just wish it was a little bit more durable. But, I mean, I bought it to use it. So I will do an in-depth comparison of this item versus the card holder with the back pocket if anyone is interested. So if you are interested in that, just let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching, guys.